What's up everybody, what's up YouTube? Hey guys, CyberExploit here, back again with another Python video, and welcome back to Python for Android. And in this video we are going to create an interesting currency converter that will enable us to convert from US dollars to Nigerian Naira. This allow user to enter their values of US dollar that will calculate and return to the console the converted amount. So let's stop talking and get going. We can do the same currency converter using a function in Python. Now you might be asking yourself, what is function? And fundamentally, functions in any programming language are usually created to organize your task into a specific block, so that each section of code is bounded into a function that will then perform a unique task or process. Now you will ask, how do we create a currency converter using function? Let's get going and let's stop talking.